welcome back to my channel here on YouTube, and also welcome to the first week of Spooktober. Yes, and I'm super excited to show you guys like the few crafts that I have in store for you guys. And so for the first week of Spooktober, we're going to be turning black paper into black slime. So let's get started. Before we begin, I just want to let you guys know that because we're going to be dealing with black paper, I recommend using gloves if you're the type of person that doesn't want to get ink pigment on your fingers, because the pigment of this black paper is very dark and can stain your fingers easily. What you're going to do is you're going to grab one sheet of black colored paper and you're going to cut it in half by first folding it in half and then cutting it with scissors along the folded line until you get this size. Then what you're going to do is you're going to rip up the half sheet of black paper and put them into a bowl, just like that. Once you have ripped up the paper, pour 1/4 of a cup of water into the bowl. Then you're going to start mixing the paper and water together and just play with it until it looks like a pulp. Your paper pulp should look something like this. And now it is time to add a little over 1/4 of a cup of clear glue. Now mix everything together. Once you have mixed all of your ingredients, you can now proceed to activate your slime using detergent, liquid starch, or borax solution. For this video, I'll be activating my slime with liquid starch. Be sure to add little bits of your activator every time. Mix really well until you have a good consistency. Once your slime has a good consistency, your slime might have the tendency to be a little sticky, and the solution to that is to just let the slime sit for at least an hour, and your slime shouldn't be sticky anymore. If you want your black slime to be a little more interesting, add some shaving cream to the mix so you can transform the black slime to a fluffy black paper slime. And the white color of the shaving cream won't affect the slime at all. As you can see here, this one's the black paper slime, and this one's the black paper slime with the shaving cream. If you want to make your slime a little creepy, add some googly eyes to it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you guys how to make black paper slime using black paper. It was super easy, and I ended up mixing both the fluffy black slime with the regular black paper slime. It's still the same. It's still the same shade of black. Please leave a like,